Tobel is a leading high-tech enterprise, specializing in the field of industrial refrigeration with nearly 20 years, located in Nantong City, Jiangsu Province, China, focusing on technological innovation. Tobel develops and produces highly precise, temperature-controlled refrigeration equipment, including oil chillers, water chillers, oil coolers, cooling towers, and related cooling devices. Relying on the advanced production line, high-end technical talents, and quality management, Tobel is committed to be a leading industrial cooling solution provider. Tobel self-developed oil chiller utilizes forced air conditioning cooling to control the oil temperature of mechanical equipment at constant temperature, such as hydraulic oil and lubricating oil. Oil chiller is composed of refrigeration system, oil system, and automatic control system. The refrigeration system includes a compressor, thermal expansion valve, plate heat exchanger, evaporator, condenser, and welded refrigeration pipeline. The oil pipeline system comprises circulating oil pump motor set, plate heat exchanger, and oil pipelines. The automatic control system is a man-machine interface with LCD display, which can timely respond to the operation status of the equipment. High-efficiency plate heat exchanger is the core functional component, connecting oil pipeline system and refrigeration system. The corrugated metal plate structure is utilized to facilitate heat transfer between two different fluids through diversion and counter current. This greatly enhances the efficiency of heat transfer and maximizes the refrigeration capacity. Circulating oil pump draws hot oil from oil tank and directs it to plate heat exchanger for cooling. The cooling oil is sent to the oil tank to mix with the hot oil to ensure that the temperature of oil tank is controlled within the prescribed range. This refrigeration process is repeated cyclically. Tobel firmly believes in surviving with quality and seeking development with brand. At present, our oil chillers have been highly recognized by customers in various industries, especially in the metal forming industry, renewable resources recycling and processing industry. Reliable oil chillers and professional cooling solutions have successfully solved the heating problems faced by many domestic and foreign customers in the process of power transmission and hydraulic control. Oil chillers have 4 advantages over conventional air-cooled and water-cooled systems. Not affected by the ambient temperature, rapid cooling can reduce the oil temperature to below the ambient temperature. No water is needed to prevent oil water leakage caused by scale formation. The chiller occupies a small area and is convenient to install. Simply connect the inlet and outlet tubing to the power supply. Maintenance cost is low. Only regular cleaning of air filters on both sides is required. In terms of market demand, Tobel oil chiller should be widely used in hydraulic press, shearing machine, bending machine, winding machine, metal baler, forging equipment, and other manufacturing industries. At present, Tobel is committed to consolidate and form a stronger market network. Tobel, Industrial Chiller, Industrial Cooling Solution Specialist.